So this building's been here since the mid-70s, and it actually started off as a repair shop. We've had people come in that used to live in the area and said, you know, they remember being a small child and they'd come in and get their car service, and there was a little donut shop in the back of here. There used to be a lift in the back room here. One lady came and she was like 78 years old, and she was just like, wow, I can't believe the difference. We're tied to Country Chevrolet Incorporated, which is a General Motors franchise store, and this was purchased under that umbrella about 19 years ago, and it was changed to Dealer's Trade Outlet. And at that time, it was an extension of the larger dealership to take some of their trades and have an outlet for customers to come in and buy used cars from them. From there, previous partner was in here. He kind of developed his own thing. It was more of like a heavy commercial, like dump trucks, utility bed body trucks, and then some cheaper used cars that people could come in and just buy. He did that for about 8 or 9 years, and then life happens and things changed a little bit to where I had to come in and got the opportunity to do what I wanted to do with the place. And I just remember getting a call saying, hey, this spot's available, and we're gonna need somebody to run the place. You know, what would you like to do? And I was at a Toyota store at the time when we were trading in a lifted Toyota truck, and I looked out the window, I was like, huh, I'm gonna do that.